like to show you the gorgeous and elegant Huron Residence featuring our Ceramitex Sintered Ceramic facade system. Simplicity of form and contextual integration were the main design focus. The upper level cantilevers over the lower level and the basement are embedded into the natural landscape, integrating it with the surroundings. The client wished for a highly durable and low maintenance finish, so they chose Ceramitex Sintered Ceramic in Strata Argentum and Nero, Zimbabwe. The project contained numerous large, multi-faced mitered panels, including the wing and the eyebrow above the garage and the barbecue canopy. Another interesting design element is that the barbecue canopy's soffit plane carries into the interior kitchen through the curtain wall. This is only achievable with precise measuring and installation. The most challenging aspect of the job was designing the panels around the fireplaces, located in the master bedroom and the great room. 2 types of ceramic fins were designed for the exterior fireplace, and 6 different ceramic fin profiles were needed for the interior fireplaces. It was a very ambitious design, and the product really speaks volumes to the level of experience and ingenuity of design, fabrication, and installation. Ceramitex is a dynamic architectural practice based out of Cape Town and has a global footprint with prestigious projects on 6 continents. They have a consistent and clear direction and are driven by a philosophy of connecting function and form. They are often featured in design and architecture magazines around the world. The client had a distinct vision which posed many design challenges. The various unique details required working closely with the architect, client, and contractor to ensure the details coincided with the design intent. Much of the custom detailing was in response to the mitered ceramic returns into diffusers, light recesses, shade track, and roof access hatches. The biggest challenge was designing these details while also considering the panel install sequence. The results speak for themselves. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.